A warm and a pleasant greeting to everyone. Today is 25th December 2024 and I am Ritik Kumar wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year 2025. May the upcoming year bring you joy, success and opportunities. Allow me to introduce myself. I am Ritik Kumar, a 7th semester Bachelor of Technology student in Computer Science and Engineering with honors in Data Science at the University Teaching Department, Chhattisgarh Swami Vivekanand Technical University, Bhilai. My end semester exams are nearing completion, and with its end, I am stepping into my 8th and final semester. As 2024 comes to a close, I want to reflect to my professional journey I have had this year. A year filled with joy, learning, challenges, and growth. This year began with the end of my 5th semester in December 2023. In January 2024, we were informed that the 6th semester is dedicated entirely to internship with no classes. Dedicated to and determined to make the most of this opportunity, I started to apply to numerous positions through the portals LinkedIn, Internshala, various company career portals, and even reaching out to professors directly to educational institutions. The process was intense. Many companies gave assignments that felt daunting. However, completing tasks like financial fraud detection model and web scraping tool with sentiment analysis gave me a sense of accomplishment, although those efforts did not result in offers. I got a breakthrough in mid-January, when I got selected for an internship at Land Leasing Company of Punjab, which was appointed for scraping LinkedIn to predict potential clients, which suddenly changes into a data entry task. Although it was very tedious, I tried to automate some parts of process using web scraping. During the same time, our administration advised us to go for on-site internship instead of online internship. So after regular consideration, I decided to leave this role and resume my search. I got a turning point in February 2024 when I got a call from IIT Kharagpur. After an interview, I got selected as a research intern at Complex Network Research Group Laboratory, where my focus was to explore large language models for financial applications. The work involved building a model for financial sentiment analysis and building systems for extracting relevant facts for financial question answering. The internship duration was February to June 2024, which was incredibly rewarding experience thanks to the mentorship and collaborative environment. After completion of my internship, I presented my work at college and embarked into my 7th semester from August 2024. As a part of my academic journey, I worked on a minor project titled Self-Guiding System for Blind People, which is an Android application that utilizes YOLO V8 for object detection and Android Speech Engine for announcing the object's relative positions. This project got accepted for publication at the International Conference on Healthcare Innovation and Smart Systems 2024. Looking back further, I have excelled academically as I have scored in class 10th 84%, 88% in class 12th, and an aggregate of 80.03% up to 6th semester of my BTech course. During my 5th semester, I have worked on a minor project titled AI-based legal assistant, further honing my skills in programming languages like C, C++, Python, R, and along with expertise in data mining, natural language processing, machine learning, and version control systems like Git. Beyond academics, I have contributed as a editor and a news designer of my university newsletter Pravah from its inauguration in July 2022 to March 2024. Additionally, I have been serving as a vice president of my university placement cell from December 2023, where I have worked to bridge the gap between students and recruiters. As I enter into 2025, I am excited to embrace new challenges and opportunities in the field of data science and computer science. I am deeply passionate to contribute to innovative projects with like-minded professionals. If you are a recruiter, thank you for listening to my journey. If you are a recruiter looking for a dedicated and professional, let's connect. Once again, I wish you a joyous holiday season and a prosperous new year 2025. Let's make the year 2025 extraordinary together.